My name is Francisco Castro. Today I am going to talk to my best friends. I have several, but the most let me are four, and are Julio, Ian, Oscar, and Ander. The five would get along with five, but they forget and we're back together and play. Speak of Julio. He likes to dance the Xbox game. His birthday is March 3rd. His favorite color is blue and his favorite food is pizza. He also likes cartoons, but what he likes most is football and we share. He likes electronic music, cartoons. His birthday in January 26th. His favorite color is red and his favorite food is chicken. He is my friend Rodriguez that tells my every story that always makes me laugh. Turn off to Oscar. His birthday is December 19th. His favorite color is blue and his favorite food is lasagna. He likes electronic music, cartoons. He's very funny. Oscar plays football. He's half my friend Ander. He's another of my great friends. Ander likes to dance, but did not do so well. His birthday is March 21. His favorite color is blue and his favorite food is enchiladas. Ander likes football. Our best friend and we love the walk together. Best of all, the five share the same passion, soccer.